In this video, we will guide you through using your Valor Plus or Max remote control system to set your fireplace's on and off times. To set the hour and minute on your remote, simultaneously hold down the high and low flame buttons until the display screen begins to flash. Use the high flame button to adjust the hour and the low flame button to adjust the minute. Confirm the time you have set by simply waiting 10 seconds for the remote to confirm automatically. To turn on your fireplace, briefly hold the high flame and off button simultaneously until you hear one short beep, then release. The pilot lighting sequence can take 15 to 20 seconds, during which time you will hear the standard series of beeps until you see that the pilot light has ignited. The main burner has now lit and will turn to high fire. To turn the fireplace off, you have two options. Press and hold the small flame button until the main burner is extinguished. If you wish to turn off the pilot light, simply press the off button to shut down the fireplace completely. Keep these instructions handy or refer to your included remote control quick guide that came with your fireplace for additional information.